Okay, friends, we have a test today in math too. We just had a phonics test. We're going to also have a math test. So I want you to find your pages. There's 2 pages for today. The first page looks like this. It has some shapes on it, and it says 21, chapter 21 review up there. And your second page looks like this. It's got cheddar on there, and it says check up, and it looks like this. And we're going to go through them together. First, we're going to do a quick review of shapes and how to divide them into equal parts. And then I will read through the questions on the test, and we'll take the test. And then you will be done with math for today. All right, let's see. We learned about squares and circles and how we can make those into equal parts. So when the test asks you to make it 2 equal parts, can you draw a line like this? No, that won't be equal. Could you draw a line like that? Let's see, 1, 2 parts, but are they the same? No. So when I'm trying to make 2 equal parts, I need to find the middle of my shape and make a line right down the middle, like this. Now, do I have 1, 2 equal parts? Yeah, pretty close, 2 equal parts. All right, and you could also go this way. 1, 2 equal parts, but see how I found the middle of both shapes? That's what you're going to do when it asks for 2 equal parts. Find the middle, draw the line across, or draw the line down. Now, when it asks you to make 4 equal parts, let me redraw my shapes. I've got my square and my circle, and I need to make 4 equal parts. So should I go like this? Will that make 4 parts? 1, 2, 3. No, that won't make 4 parts. Should I go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, but are they the same? No, we don't want to do that. All right, let's try this. Let's start with the 2 parts we made. We'll find the middle and go straight down the middle. There's 2 parts, and then go across. Oh, look, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. We can do the same thing with our circle. Go across the middle, go down the middle. So when it asks you to make 4 equal parts, you're going to do 2 lines, 1 across, 1 down. If it asks you to do 2 equal parts, you just make 1 line, either across or down, either way, but just 1 line. All right, go ahead and get out your first paper. That's the one that has the shapes on it, and it looks like this. Have that in front of you. Put your name right on top, and get ready. You just need a pencil. And if you're ready, I'm going to start reading the directions. Look at that yellow circle. It says draw 1 line to show 2 equal parts. Draw 1 line on that yellow circle. Great job. Now look at the square. Draw 1 line on that yellow square to make 2 equal parts. Just 1 line. Great. Go down to the green circle and square. Right down here on the green. Draw 2 lines to make 4 equal parts. Draw 2 lines on the circle and make 4 equal parts. Draw 2 lines on the square and make 4 equal parts. If you did that, awesome job. Go ahead and turn your paper over. Okay, this part, we worked on this the other day where we used different shapes to make one bigger shape. It says use these 4 little squares to make a big square. So right underneath those 4 little squares, you're going to draw a bigger square that has 4 equal little squares. So use your pencil and draw 4 little squares all together, making a big square. And then jump over to the other side, and you're going to draw a big square using 4 triangles. Use 4 triangles and draw a big square. Okay, go on down to that red. See the red line of squares there? It says draw squares to make this rectangle 2 squares longer. So on the end, you're going to just add 2 more squares to that rectangle that's already there. Add 2 squares to the end of it. That one was pretty quick and simple. Go ahead and grab your next page that looks like this with cheddar at the top. Write your name at the top of your paper and get ready. I'm going to tell you what you're going to do next. All right, look at those red cubes. Let's count how many there are in the stack. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one of these would come next? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're looking for the next stack that would come after 4. What number comes after 4? That's how many blocks you need to find, and just circle it. Over here, you're going to circle either this one or this one. Which one comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the one that has the next number and circle it. When you finish that, let's look at the blue cubes. It says count the cubes and write the number. Remember, these are 10, so we're going to count by 10s. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And you're going to write that number on the line. Now I want you to count these over here. Remember, it's 10, 11, and then you're going to count the rest of them. 10, 11, 12, keep going until you count them all and write the number right there. All right. Once you finish that, you're going to look at the clocks and you're going to write the time. Remember, 0, 0 comes after the dots. The first one is whatever the little hand is pointing to, and then 0, 0. I'll give you just a minute to finish that up. Awesome. Look at those snakes. It says circle the snake that is longer. Circle the snake that is longer. Now look over here. It says draw a snake that is longer. So over here you circled them. Now over here you're going to draw a snake that is longer. Okay, then they gave you some pennies. This one is adding. So you're just going to write how many do you see here? Plus how many do you see over on this side? And then how many all together? But down here is subtracting. So don't get fooled. You have to count how many there are all together. That goes here. All of them, count them all and put that number first. And then how many did we cross out? That number goes next. And then how many are left that aren't crossed out? That goes last. Go ahead and finish that up. And when you are all finished with both of those, you're going to take 4 pictures today. You have 2 pages and you have 2 sides of each. So take 4 pictures for me and you can put them here in Google Classroom, or you can email them to me. I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye.